Hi, and welcome to the first tutorial in our video series on editing your brand new Jupyter website. In today's tutorial, we're going to be going over how to duplicate pages, add pages, and stuff like that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here to this side menu here, and we're going to go all the way down to pages. You can just go ahead and click on that. Alrighty, and once we get here, there's a couple things that we can do. If you've had your website built with Unconditional Media, you'll already have this feature involved. If not, you'll need to download the duplicate page plugin. So if you're wanting to go ahead and duplicate, say, a service page, maybe you're adding a new service, you can just go down to one of your services and click the duplicate this page. That's going to duplicate the page so you don't have to worry about reformatting it. We'll say that you want to start a page from scratch. You're just going to scroll up to the top and click Add New. From here, you're going to be given the option to do a couple of things. You're going to need to title your page. So we'll just title this test page. Alrighty, and once that's done, you can have a couple more options. So you can choose to preview the page, and if we choose to do this, it's going to take us to a preview. And as you can see, there's nothing really here other than our test page title. So we could add some text. So if we do that and we go back over to our test page and reload it, or we'll need to click the preview button first. It'll reload it automatically for us. And you'll see that we have I'm some text. Alrighty, so you probably don't want just a plain text page. So what you're going to do is you can just go ahead and click on this back end editor button. If you have WordPress Bakery Builder, you can add that as well. We're just going to go with this for now. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click Add Element, and we'll say we want a fancy title. So this is going to give us a nice heading. Alrighty, and from here we can choose whether it's going to be H1, H2, H3, or whatnot. For SEO reasons, as you can see, like they've listed here, you'll need to only have one H1 tag per page, and that's going to be your main title. Alrighty, so you can change the font size here, text color, stuff like that. We're not going to really mess with this right now since we're just focusing on building a page and adding a page. So if we preview this, we can see we now have a new fancy title. Alrighty, so if we scroll down, we're going to see some more stuff. We'll see like our Yoast plugin here. This is for your SEO. So you'll be able to analyze and see what needs to be fixed in order to optimize it for search engines. If you scroll down a little bit more, you're going to see a couple more options like layout, manage page elements, stuff like that. You're not really going to need to mess with these much. If you get curious, feel free to play around, but they're not really that important. So if you go scroll back to the top, you can add a feature image, which so if you're going to be using WordPress Bakery Builder or stuff like that, you really don't need to worry about this unless you're doing a post, maybe like a portfolio item, adding an employee, stuff like that. And from there, once you're finished with your page, you can click Save as Draft or you can publish it. And we're just going to go ahead and publish this page. Alrighty, we'll see you in the next video where we're going to be going over adding some basic elements to the page using Visual Composer.